Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the issue where bookmarks disappear in Google Chrome. This problem usually happens due to sync errors, profile issues, or accidental changes in Chrome settings. First, open Google Chrome, click on your profile in the top right, and make sure sync is turned on. If sync is already on, try turning it off, restart Chrome, and then turn sync back on. This often refreshes your profile and restores missing bookmarks. Next, open the Bookmark Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and O on your keyboard. Check folders like Other Bookmarks, as bookmarks may have been moved instead of deleted. If bookmarks recently disappeared, type Chrome/bookmarks and press Enter to review recent changes. Another fix is restarting Chrome by typing Chrome/restart and pressing Enter. Chrome will reload your profile and settings automatically. If the issue continues, updating Chrome to the latest version can help fix sync and data bugs. That's it. We've learned how to check Chrome sync settings, review the Bookmark Manager, and restore missing bookmarks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.